Now let's study the next part of the lesson, and that is the power. What is power? It is the work done per unit time, and it is the scalar quantity. That means it has only the magnitude and it doesn't have any direction. The SI unit is joule per second, and that is equal to watt. To honor the scientist James Watt, this unit is named as watt. Now let's consider some example. Suppose we are filling an overhead water tank, and two ways can be done. Using a bucket the water tank can be filled, and using a motor also the water tank can be filled. But in this case, if motor is used, the time taken to fill the water tank will be less. It will be much less. And so we say that the motor has more power. Similarly, climbing the stairs faster. You will be climbing faster or your father. Obviously, you will climb faster. And we can say that the work done by you is in the lesser time than your father. So you have more power. Then reaching a hilltop by using car or bicycle or by walk. In these three cases, no doubt you will reach the top of the hill. But when you are using a car, the time taken to reach the hilltop will be very less, and we can say that the car has more power than the bicycle, and it is more powerful than when you are just walking. So whether the work is done fast or slow, so that depends on the power. Then it is given mathematically as work done divided by time taken. So we get this formula to calculate power as P equal to W upon T. Then in the industries, horsepower, this unit is used, and that is the work done by a horse in unit time. It is indicated as HP, horsepower. The power generated by one horse, that is 1 horsepower, and it is equal to 746 watt. Unit of energy for commercial use is 1 kilowatt hour. Now 1 kilowatt is equal to 10 raised to 3 watts. 10 raised to 3 means 1000 watt. And when we insert that value here, we get 1000 watt into hour. 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So when we calculate this, we get 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule, and this value, it is called as 1 unit, which is used to calculate the electrical energy consumption.